Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well.
In this video, we are going to solve remaining question of SOF National Science Olympiad 2020 paper for class 6. For first 35 question, please watch previous video. Link is given in description. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with section 2 Science. Question number 36. Identify the test shown in the given figure and select the correct statement regarding it. So here option A shows the food sample, and in B copper sulfate solution and caustic soda added to food sample. Option C is shaking the mixture, and in option D the color changed to the purple color. So it is taste for protein. If the color changed to purple, it indicates that the food sample has protein in it. So here C is correct answer. Question number 37. Which of the following statements regarding air is incorrect? Option A, air contains dust particles and water vapor. It is correct statement. Option B, air neither has fixed shape nor has fixed volume. It is also correct statement. Option C, air has mass and occupies space. It is also correct statement. Option D, air is incompressible. It is incorrect. Air is highly compressible. D is correct answer. Question number 38. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column 1, option 1, ginning. Ginning is the process of removing the seeds. So here for ginning, E is correct answer. Option 2, rating. The process of rating soften the tissue and help to separate the fiber. So here for rating, B is correct answer. Carding is mechanical process that disentangles, clean and intermix the fiber. So here for 3, A is correct answer. Option 4, seed pods. Seed pods is called as bolls. And lint is a cotton fiber after being separated from seed. So for 5, D is correct answer. So here A is correct option. Question number 39. Select the incorrect statement. Option A. Salmon migrates from freshwater to sea for breeding. So here A is incorrect statement because salmon migrates from sea to freshwater. Option A is incorrect. So here A is correct answer. Question number 40. Select the incorrect match. Here plant. Option E, fern. Fern reproduce by their spore. It is correct. Dahlia reproduce by their root. So it is incorrect. Biophylla reproduce by their leaf. It is correct. And tapioca is also reproduced by their root. So it is correct. Only option B is incorrect. So B is correct answer. Question number 41. Refer to the different source of water given below. Tube well, river, ocean, whale, pond and sea. Which of the following options shows the correct number of surface water source and groundwater source? So here tube well is groundwater source, so Q. River is surface water source, so P. Ocean is surface water source. Whale is groundwater source, so Q. And ponds, surface water source. C, surface water source. So there are 4 surface water source, so P is equal to 4, and 2 groundwater source, so Q is equal to 2. So here A is correct answer. Question number 42. Rashmi observed different phases of moon on 4th May and 8th May as shown in the picture. Which phase of moon will she most likely see on May 11th? So on 4th she observed this, and on 8th May she observed this, and on 11th May she will observe full moon. So D is correct answer. Question number 43. Which of the following parts of the eye is incorrectly matched with its function? Option A, iris. It regulates the amount of light entering the eye. So its function is correct. Option B, pupil. The central aperture of iris is called pupil, and it also regulates the flow of light to the retina. So it is also correct function. Cornea act as a structural barrier and protects the eye against infection. So here it is incorrect function. And eyelids are the outermost protective part of the eyes. So eyelid protect eyes from dust, flies, rain, etc. It is correct function. Only function of cornea is incorrect. So here C is correct answer. Question number 44. Which of the following types of rock is also known as natural glass? Obsidian is very smooth and shiny rock. So it is also known as natural glass. B is correct answer. Question number 45. Unscrabble the given set of letters to get a type of material. So here word is rubber. Which of the following cannot be made using this material? From rubber, truck tires, eraser and hose pipe can be made, but incandescent light bulb cannot be made by rubber. So here B is correct answer. Now next and last section is achiever section. Here there are 5 questions and each question of 3 marks. Question number 46. Read the given statements 1 to 5 and select the option that correctly identifies them as true and false ones. Option 1. Red meat and butter are rich in saturated fats, whereas vegetable oil are rich in unsaturated fats. This statement is true. Option 2. Iron is needed for the formation of hemoglobin and its main source are green leafy vegetable and beetroot. It is also true statement. Option 3. Water soluble vitamins are not stored in the body and must be supplied through food. It is correct statement. Option 4. Protein molecules are formed by the large number of smaller molecules called fatty acid. It is false statement. It is called as amino acid. Option 5. Deficiency of vitamin B1 cause night blindness. So it cause beriberi. So it is also incorrect statement. So here B is correct answer. Question number 47. Refer to the given flow chart and select the incorrect statement regarding PQRS. So here all PQRS are the constituent of air. Here P support burning, so P can be oxygen. S does not support burning and could not cause global warming, so S could be nitrogen. And Q could cause global warming and green plant used during photosynthesis, so Q can be carbon dioxide. And R enter air through transpiration, so R could be water vapor. Option A. Presence of R in the air is important for the occurrence of water cycle in the nature. So presence of water vapor in the air is important for the occurrence of water cycle in nature. So it is correct. P could be. P is oxygen. Oxygen could be a gas that is a byproduct of photosynthesis done by plant. It is correct. Q could be. Q is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide could be a gas that is used in fire extinguisher. So it is also correct. Option D. S forms 0.03% of the air in the earth atmosphere. So here carbon dioxide forms 0.03% and S is not carbon dioxide. S is nitrogen. So here D option is incorrect. So D is correct answer. Question number 48. Refer to the given table and select the correct option regarding PQRS. Here plant part stem functions photosynthesis and B support for climbing. And plant part leaf, option A reproduction in water loss and B support for climbing. So here Q will be the creeper and S can be creeper. So here in option D, Q could be a grapevine is creeper, and whereas S could be P is also creeper. So here D is correct answer. Question number 49. In the circuit shown, 3 identical ammeter X, Y, Z has been added that measure the current in the respective area. What is the order of magnitude of readings on the ammeter from largest to smallest? So current is passed like this. So current is high at point X. Now here one my bulb is connected to Y and here two bulbs are connected to Z. So current will be less at Z than Y. So correct sequence is this. So here C is correct answer. Question number 50. Study the given flow chart and fill in the blanks by selecting an appropriate option. So here given changes. Here Q is physical change and it is irreversible change. So Q is shredding of paper. S is not physical change but it is desirable change. So S is curdling of milk. P is not a physical change and not a desirable change. So P is rusting of iron. And R is physical change but it is not reversible change and not undesirable change. So it is glowing of filament bulb. So here C is correct answer.
Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.